If your GMC Acadia makes a rapid clicking sound when you turn the key, it is usually a simple electrical failure. Statistically, 85% of these no-start complaints stem from basic battery or connection problems. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to identify your specific failure. Start by inspecting your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring the ground cables are securely attached. A weak battery or corroded cables are the primary reasons your vehicle is struggling to engage the starter motor. If the battery is healthy, consider checking the ignition relay or the starter solenoid for internal wear. Simple cleaning can often save you a trip to the shop, but internal starter failures usually require professional help. The cost varies significantly, with simple battery replacements being much cheaper than a full starter overhaul. For advanced troubleshooting, perform a voltage drop test at the starter motor while a helper attempts to crank the engine. Keep a basic multimeter, a wire brush, and a standard socket set in your trunk to handle these electrical gremlins. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting repairs to stay safe. Check your battery first and you will likely find your solution. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.